Is there any questions to this game mode? Questions are good if y'all have them. Don't ask me in the middle of the game. Yeah, I'll tell you that in a minute, but you know. But you knew that. You just wasted my time. What a stupid question. Alright, anybody got any other questions? No? Alright. Blue team, wall side. Red team, hallway.
Good luck. Thank you.
Sorry, I'm sitting down on them. It
happens all the time.
American flag. You got your GoPro on some duct tape.
Yeah.
Yo, it does duct tape.
Huh? This is my friend's camera. He's just watching me play because he's tired. He has it on like his phone, so he's like watching me right now.
So you like live on his phone?
Yeah, it's like a live feed. It's still recording, but like.
Yeah. Why isn't he playing?
He gets shot too much and he's like in pain right now.
Dude, that's the same with my brother. He's got.
Ooh, watch out, buddy. Sorry.
He's got gun, like total cost.
So I'm gonna
40
be
bucks.
honest with all of you.
40 at Academy across the
I'm
street.
going after one dude and one dude only.
400 or?
40. Just 40 bucks for at Academy across the street.
For that full set.
No. This is my friend's, but for just the gun itself, it's 40 bucks. It comes with the mag.
Asshole, stop fucking shooting me.
If one of my teammates shoots me, I'm shooting them back in the leg.
Yeah, no, I don't do it.
Hold up, let me.
Wait, Dad, a backup gun?
Who here is below the age of 10? No, you're not. Shut up. You're like 30 with like 2 kids.
Wait, shoot.
I'm joking.
You were almost close with the age.
20? Are you using 20s?
No, if you said 30 with 2 kids, put those two together are 32.
32?
So you were basically there except for you had a kid at the end of it.
Bro, does that hurt?
Probably.
I know. Shoot him.
Then shoot it.
Oh, dear God. Oh my God. Bro, shoot it.
Hey, your side piece fell off.
So sorry, I gotta tape this down.
Look.
Yeah, you do. Use some of the electrical tape from your GoPro to duct tape.
Alright.
My other gun doesn't have the back plate, so I duct tape it all the time.
Yeah, he's the guy right now watching through the camera.
He's watching through the camera.
Now, are you gonna sit and spawn and watch?
No, I'm probably gonna go around with the shield because this is camera.
Did you talk to the admin?
They allow me.
Okay, I'm just making sure because you're signing up to be shot.
I know.
Well, I'm gonna shoot him if he has a shield. I'm gonna.
Talking about your own pain.
No play.
How much mags do you have?
Pistols are very interesting.
I have one.
Especially that one for like $30-something.
40 bucks on the dot.
What are you doing?
I want to say that's skate. Are you skate? Okay. Jacob was supposed to introduce me. Because I always hear about you from him, and I'm like, I don't know where skate is.
Well, where were you? No, we're not.
Yeah, try not to break my tracer.
I'm not. If it falls, it falls.
I'm getting shot by my own team, and it's gone here.
Is that a glow stick?
All of our guns are full out.
Huh? What the fuck is that?
Oh, it's a paint thing. For painting.
Why is it rusty and hard?
It has paint in it.
There you go. It's like a makeshift grenade. You missed. My turn. Sure thing, pal. Oh, my bad. Oh.
I know. Honestly, I thought I kind of missed it.
No, you're lucky it hit the spring first because it was going right from up the
I know, that's what I was thinking. I was like, boy.
Flying still there? Wow.
Yeah. Is it not supposed to be? I realize the only person I have to worry about is
I'm just shooting.
Yeah, you good job.
I do. Pro shooter.
gotta get that little flag.
I'm not going for it.
You go this way.
They're probably all right there on that edge, just camping it. See someone?
So you go to the camper. See what he's doing.
Pretty sure you're gonna fell off. Okay.
Broke my gun.
Oh.
Broke my gun.
Yeah. Mhm.
My team please just get it over with.
Good.
Let her hit, let him walk.
Does he have the minigun?
Yep.
Oh, beautiful.
Just know he's gonna probably be coming back from here.
For you.
Yeah. I'm just gonna be honest with you. I will be straight honest with you.
Either A, stay here and fight, or B, run away.
Yeah.
Right?
If the guy with the mini doesn't dad, what do you think you should do?
Beep.
Huh?
Turn your flashlight off.
That too.
See?
He's coming.
You won't be able to hit me because it's all netting in front of me.
It's not either fight or flight. Either run for the minigun or you fight the minigun.
But
Got this.
here's my benefit. I'm tall.
Fight it so you can have the lore for later on.
No, I'm tall, so I can go like this. Just like that. They're standing right there.
Then shoot them.
Yeah, there's one right there.
Yeah, no.
It's the short kid with a green sweatshirt, I want to say.
So, I just had this funny thought. When you was laying on fire, and then he just popped with his gun, I thought of that Whole Night thing. You ever watch Whole Night?
I want to say so.
That's the one with Eddie Murphy, and then they was shooting him at
Hey.
Let her hit! Let him walk!
I'll show you the thing after we get those games. But it's...
Ew. Alright, close that back. Oh? Well, yeah, so it's ricochet. It won't count. Has no one got the flag yet? Who? Has no one got the flag? I can't see from here. Has anyone got the flag? Or is it still middle? Huh. Why are we all just chilling in here? Go fight, soldiers!
No, dude, who the fuck is that?
Huh?
Where that fucking gun? Where the fuck is this?
Oh, the fucking minigun?
Yeah. Bro, okay, I walked around the corner. He's just sitting there like this. So you want to call it, or do you need me to shoot you? I was like, fuck, please don't.
I know. I was talking to the rep to see if someone pulled the flag yet, and then I see him behind me. He's like, safety. I was like, fuck.
No, dude, I was like, he's shot. Okay, so he's shot. Okay, so I popped that little corner in the back. Oh shit, is your tracer good?
Yeah.